My name is Andrea Frausin, and I want to welcome you in this video to introduce you a very special program. I like it so much because in this program we will share something that is not so well known inside the NLP world. And this program is about how to communicate with your unconscious. In the 20 plus years of experience, working with many different clients in different countries, inside organization, outside organization, for personal issues, business issues, I realized how much is important to communicate with unconscious of the client. So being able to observe carefully the unconscious signals coming from the clients, to be able to interpret these signals, to direct your attention to the very specific leverage points. And after you are so successful in observing and listening carefully to the unconscious communication, but you know, if you work inside the personal development field, you know how these abilities translate themselves into results for your clients. I'm so glad I met so many people internationally from the NLP world, and a lot of them privately, they started to whisper to me something very important for them. They told me something, Andrea, I don't really know how to communicate with my unconscious. So I was really curious, because these are very good professionals, being able to literally change the life of many different people and many different businesses. And at the same time, they whisper to me, I'm not yet able to communicate better in a very good way with my unconscious. And you know, when you have some tools, you're able to facilitate change in other people, and you're not so able to work within yourself. This is something that I think deserves our attention. And this is why I proposed this year this special topic inside the NLP International Conference. And in this occasion, I will share with you something that I learned from many different people, very strong people inside the NLP world and something outside the NLP world, to enhance our ability to communicate within ourselves. We will talk about how to use linguistic outside with the clients and inside ourselves to access the unconscious resources and to activate the unconscious resources in the context of our life in which we want more choices, more possibility, more abilities to get our results. At the same time, I will share with you a specific step-by-step procedure, which is something very interesting, and which will give you the possibility to do a better communication within ourselves. What these guys whispering to me told me is not true. Everyone is able to communicate within themselves. Everyone is able to have a communication with the unconscious. Yes, there are certain moments, and we label these moments as problems, as difficulties, as conflicts, where and when we are not so good in communicating within ourselves. So in this occasion, in this seminar, we will learn something very useful. We will learn tools that if you practice, and you use these tools in your everyday life, you will have wonderful results. For example, you will be very interested in knowing the preferences your unconscious has in some specific occasion. You will be able to know the preferences during decision processes and you will able to find out how to solve conflicts inside yourself which are limiting your possibilities, your results in your life. Yeah, it sounds very interesting. Yes, I know, and it sounds oh, this is a big promise, Andrea. How can you do that? I can do that because I know what you can do with these tools. I know what you can do once these tools becomes part of your everyday procedures or your everyday life. So my big promise is, if you attend this special session, you listen to this session, you look at this session, and you begin to use what I will share with you, then you will have much more choices in your life. Once again, practice is the key. Practice is the key. And good knowledge base is something very important. So I will promise you, I will share very important knowledge about the linguistics and some processes to know better yourself and to use all the things, all the resources you have within yourself to get better results in your personal life and in your business life. And yeah, this is a bonus. You will find that you will enhance also your well-being. And this is very important in this special period of time in which we are facing, we know, challenging situation. So hope to see you online, NLP International Conference 2021. Wow. Bye for now.